Good afternoon, this is Dennis Drive, the Guaranty RV up here in Junction City, Oregon. We're going to take a look at a 2018 Newmar Ventana today. Awesome floor plan. Of course, it's always fun to do a Newmar. Great quality, great history, great family values. So let's take a look around this coach together. So this floor plan is a 34-36. As you can see, full body paint with a beautiful finish, great storage. Outside TV on this, the option along with the Bose stereo system. What a great fun thing to do on a Friday night with your family. Emergency exit door, which we'll talk about a little bit more inside. Again, additional storage here in the back. You'll see it has opposing slides here in the front. A full wall slide for the driver's side, a short slide up front here for the passenger. Includes the booth dinette, corner TV, along with another Bose. Good storage. One of the things Newmar prides himself on is their interior decors. Again, here's your emergency door. Behind the bottom panel is a stainless steel ladder. Hopefully we'll never need it in our lifetime, but if you do, it's there. Newmar does a great job with their construction. You know, R16 roofs, 16-inch on center floors and ceilings, tubing. Excellent insulation throughout, along with vapor barrier. Here we have one more slide out in the back. Queen bed goes out sideways. They leave us excellent storage here and a wardrobe across the back. You could add washer dryers here if you'd like. It's set up for the option. Easy install. Your choice as a customer. Nice big drawers below the top here. TV again, overhead storage. This unit has a 2-door residential refrigerator. They've given us a beautiful pantry. I don't know if you're not aware, these drawers are actually adjustable. You can take them out and reset them to however you'd like them to be for your setup. 3-burner cooktop, range, the microwave is convection microwave. Tile floor, beautiful wood interior. So if you'd like to know more about this, please give us a call here at Guaranty. My name is Dennis Gerard, and it's been my pleasure to walk you through this 34-36 2018 Newmar Ventana. Thank you very much.